Come on, a couple by unso no.
HONEYMOON in the Blue Water Guards.
Blue Water Guard. Concert teacher my friend what you jano. Blue Water Guard. Who selected the Blue Water Guards? Politicians. Hey, job for the boys.
Ebusian for Ghana SMTVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime video bits away, you the share ma usambe kebi. Ebusian for John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Unze ni honeymoon kakakra no eba wie. The mama ni honeymoon is coming to an end. Now research recently show say many or most Ghanaians no believe say your mama the hope and the solution no also believe say your mama some more time now bet me the assaulty issues not solve your issues bebre no for bebre no they are running out of patience for bebre feel say a long overdue 9 months 10 months ni every month your mama or the salary ni appointees na salary Ghana for bebre say is long overdue ni ama wa promise omo ni campaign message all those ones no the time to start implementing them no enyabedu the time has come, and that is the mind of many Ghanaians. And you should understand, as I say, there are countries, there are nations they have turned their fortunes within a month, within 2 months, within 3 months. And people cannot give you forever. Who now see MPP4 must say BBA. Okay, MPP4 say BBA. You to Abanama. Over 1.5 million people gave you an advantage over your main contender, MPP. That's about me. And you cannot leave those over 1.5 million people who believed in you over Dr. Baumia stranded for 10 months. Debbie. See, Women Development Bank. Go for one Ska also odi to my bank no so. Ska no enko siaga. Uko old person from be microfinance krana. Nothing. Na eni nyina eche no, wo ministers krano. Omo bushi. Sema wo ministers bebre, sema mo ka opposition no, ni omo ye wa ban mu ene no. Totally different. And go for bebre won say, ade ene nyina no na ye masquerading bi na NDC 4 ye. And where research where about say good rule in the call from there. As I say, a wake up call. Emma John Dramani Mahama. I thought they be a make say. Enye obia interest your mama be failure as president. Debbie. Enye obia interest. In fact, at then now be bomb pass your mama and failure as president. Or failure. Nyina na wo man mu nyina na ebebre. And the best thing in our interest is say your mama succeed. But for John Mama to succeed, no, he himself also must be willing to succeed. But the current posture that we are seeing from NDC4, John Mahama himself, the president, and several people who are pro-government, no, what mean say they don't intend to succeed. All they want to use power for is to abuse power and to do galamsey. That is what we are saying. Because government, our person also succeeding, all empower galamsey the way we are seeing it. Government our person succeeding no sa government no on wasting the time say any political opponent echi na obedi. Government also person succeeding any government or the scam cause share forest nimo or the share forest mo on beka no kre say oh no kre discussion no beka say ato is force na ato is force o yes anya man nyina no affect with goodwill but na NDC for no money and the 10 months no research about say mu goodwill no say atitis say the swat tikra Ghana for are becoming desperate again. Now the moment Ghanaians start getting desperate again, you know, actually say they are looking towards the alternative. And our alternative near them MPP. NT9 MPP for so no say no on us around this time no. That is why your reorganization is very important. Because one reorganize here, Ghana for they might look for a third party. But it is not in the best interest of NPP say Ghanaians will opt for a third party. Once that comes that duopoly Ghana had no break. Now duopoly so break go for bebre. Political parties bebre. Nsema ya to CPP mono. Say obiam bu omo fa nyehwe no. Say MPP say advantage na about say good rule no call for ma NDC4. Say yan take advantage of that. That's where you'll be headed. And for the video is happening. I'll see you in the next one. I remain the voice. Cheers.
I was at the assembly last week. I said, inaugurating immigration, something. It's a good initiative. but a party for a page my mom microphone on them coy. The selection was done by the party chairman. Now me be abansona no abetu dam on watching. Na chama fa phone. Hello, Blue Water Guard. Tell my West chairman speaking. But carry on. Oh, that yeah. Yes.
Why you check?
Oh. Oh, what does
experience?
Enti, yeah, no one kasa as politicians. Who does it? You go this say, you didn't go. You didn't say, you didn't go. Let me go there. Minimum be no ye mining. Abansi san ya pe. Eno dani the concession man NDC secretary. No ye MPP secretary. E dani no say oyaf.
Beje.
Una be JDM medidi. Eno dani man no. You know why? Because tax force in the bar. Politicians say, "To me you kura money mo." Yen nani oba ba be mape. Once upon a time, police promotions were done on political platforms. Political platforms. Me na minti that say Zuko College, I say FBB Chief Inspector 0.4. Na minti be that. Who can give us Chief Inspector 0.4 2 to go for college? No go college. Ni ayewa kwetia etiwa district commander. I go see for go do Chief Inspector 0.4 go college. Na me new excavator came na my friend. One good 10 it because deserve another. Chama did 42 maybe after 4 years chama baby BM. Na ba now that's a chief super promotion. Ni na be ba utrim. Me nya chama a chon so we am pass college so we chama the phone call the friend that crew. Meet me at depot about an officer. Now we lead water guard. Now I go check my machines. Oza.
These are him for now.
Say the neighbor is how much na bebo. The Dania. Dani so the da go Dani. Police transfers were done by politicians. What are you saying? Me team, no it's a panel be so. One time Alan call Adan. You power no. The then commander the different Lamte. Me team baby. Ni didn't come on the Bob Antony. No, you say no Gigi Alan and transfer. Say you wouldn't know what you're talking about. Gentleman and Alan were relationship because the gentleman was President Kufuor's personal bodyguard. So automatically with Alan's relationship with Kufuor, obeni my brand here is a kola. Obeni no. Don't to money idea in kola. Yes, on what channel I could serve Alan on the VA to a special treat. Am I a transit mama for? I brand in here say me no. Gawana danwa you go transfer kwe. Where are they transfer the and politicians we do worse things.
Why?
So I believe this water garden, national idea.
Okay.
Put all the chiefs together. I am for you now, and say, Bia, and I know two for the Dano. Or two for, and now two for Namisi, and now in the Eastern Belt, no?
Then people be and
yeah, or he be to know the Eastern Belt. Because for me, or two for the see it, and one, there's all be Anna. Remember, I said, Mamma, this is about down for grad, about down for. You can say, you're about down for crunchy. That should tell you there's a certain authority somewhere.
Okay.
That people respect that authority.
Right.
Then we can bring religious leaders in there. I did because I ain't budget, the national security budget. Yeah, thought a 2 year now, Roberts, you are signing the Buri. Now, briefly, you soldier for me and said 2 police for 2 people. But when we start investing in genuine churches, you might GD4. I started preaching, saying, I saw them. So you told me, say, where you bonny, or run sing, yeah, Bible saying, yeah, Titino, Nanamu, so you say, Chiwadia, net poetry, man.
Okay.
Those things work more than Titi, patapa. Yeah. There are many lawyers in the NDC. There's Baba Jama, there's who. Baba Jama has been in the gold business. Mama risky the Masami Genfi. Mimi Pai Body say, Enko ye mano. I say, Abayis son. A Jinaso Jakamasa say, and maybe by a branch be 38 to me, yeah. And to be 39, me. That is the issues. Now, my cousin, we say, yeah, Manante, I go there, tell me, I come simple. I don't believe in that. I don't know.
I need to know.
Eating region. Hey, and goes and also mega. Eating region, so I can't help.
Are they?
Say to Krumana, His Excellency, because I can't pay.
9%.
9%. 9%. And it's the MP say 24. and then no 15 code in the sheet. In these things, so I can't pay. Ready. You see, the ben am on your four. You didn't come on. Tabe.
No grabbe.
Why the council me a constituency chairman of West, maybe in Kennedy to be Kennedy. One guy. Minimum PBA, even in opposition, in power, they ought to me. Nicholas Lucia. Reverend for just no but maybe Kennedy. For as is it possible?
So I in South.
Yes. So no, so that should tell you, sir, who the MPP may be anymore. It doesn't give you any leverage.
Okay.
Who does it? I mean, what about could be a notice?
Yeah.
Not for Brian. That woman couldn't have been an MP. Not for premise, everything. People stood on Brian shoulders. Sometimes wrong. Ungratefulness and you.
Oh, but people can decide. You can help me, but you may not be my choice. They should have the freedom to choose who they want to support.
And the party from paying for loyalty is not transferable.
But support.
No. So I'm saying that so loyalty people is not transferable. Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have the person me pe Obama. And just because we mean age more happy.
Yeah.
Me the abranti we aba. Inti mo support na any automatic samba.
There be any automatic.
Party for things etie no ase bebo.
Ade.
Say mo be jina baby. But who is baby o mo ntiase. Me regional chairman e jide nim jaba o me. But me from Obuza say ade jina o jina ken. Asame no muki.
So me say Baumia na tradition, party ni tradition na move follow we kwa we never.
Inti party ni tradition. Senka. Alan Beke be no ka de. We go car abranti be twa be mo ntimi nka. Say that background na. That background na as I think ye konya. Obi de dia na obaba de dia no. Politics ye nya dis how. Politics ye nya dis how. Politics ye nya dis how. Emre bia ni ohini a yesi.
Okay.
Emre bia no ohini yesi o. Emre bia ni Ghana say ohina Ghana for so see. Ohini obit ma adwuma. Utase enti ye be kwa be. Whoever NDC brings, whoever MPP brings, politicians ye ni.
Okay.
It is uncommon say me ba me yo say ye jai. De ma ye de nie. Ye ko ani me no me ye wei. Evidence base. Asem ni nie.
No.
Me adwuma nie. It be so me adwuma, ma adwuma da. Mati argument bi ena na adwuma from gra entie ye adwuma boni ti se kro no adwuma boni ti se kro no ana it means that no can me ntiase.
Okay.
So for me I believe that MPP our surest bet is Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan.
Aka naka kra bi enche abana beko so.
But the me can say say dinu kra bi ma ye ho o ja say ena wa hwa hwenkofo na je hwenkofo na nim o photo no. Oh, you mean
MP4 no.
Ochibe fi na say as a photo no person be mbisa. Ocha no. Oh, you should. Oh, my dear. You mo didi ame no. And on feel say we have to sustain the eat.
No. I think say you're unfair. Omo make you omo choice. Untu boka say muso omo di Kennedy echi omo yama mbibi ze mundi.
Why na onye CEO na minister onipa na be jino.
And they were in power, so
yes, so
the probability so benya position here.
So they had the opportunity of serving in government. So they want to sustain what they had. They want to maintain or sustain the brother. Maybe no jina no one person jina bi.
Okay.
What I say? Kennedy so say oba dia ground say Muhammad Dini bi nkola little two boys twinkle little stars. Opportunity for the youth.
As a Kennedy or person osua Mahama because what can never.
These are issues Kennedy started kan here. Mo hwe fu soldiers so. Mo hwe party fo. Ye man nkola opportunity so. What I say? Edi Kennedy theory ni bi na Muhammad wi a odi kwa ama eko ye man ni.
Okay.
Kennedy theory ni bi. Kennedy started here they say ye hwe youth. What I say? Kennedy o committee sa. Ase ofo. I want to MPs near the on a massio. MPs near the in Government come over to 6,000. I see offer 200 something thousand. Kennedy in strength, I see offer.
Oh, over 200,000.
Yes, that's what I need. Yes.
MP4 class. Okay.
Oh, that's it. I see offer.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
But MP4 so more influence.
More influence by
constituencies, you know.
MPs need to go and talk on your queen asana. Your G2 was almost with you, Anna.
Yeah, he said.
MPs be a contoka.
Okay.
Oh, MPs. What is the MPP could declare or do my station and get over? What's your so? Now influence any day.
Okay. Matthias, if president, you said ne goodwill, no? Ni approval ratings and so they are no wrong because everything is going
for me, I believe that I'm say His Excellency Mahama. The point is ni be one ho.
Okay.
Until the ni enkohwe. Ghana about to as much as development. There's one thing I noticed in 2016. Everywhere John Mama did wonderful development, he lost. Accra Central, this, the overhead, the flyovers, they were good. They were wonderful. Trying to stop in Sue and about July 1 in Sue. Your Mama did well, but he lost heavily there. You know why? Before I say, your mindset, Ghana, your baton, and then your development. Yeah. Said your own conform every deal so.
Okay.
Before you say media, they will not compromise Obuo for the obedi. Nenimi ye form. Now ye BBO you as a man to cry and so any. That's I'm seeing it. Many Sam George, his poster is no good. Many Sam George, his poster is not good. Many Sam John, his poster is not good. Sammy Jevis poster, wonderful.
Okay.
As a minister. What I say, could you do a can cry? Some buso do. Some buso, and then I na edition. I was the penny in Ankasano. I go for most of his problems he had. Gabi mu bedio tromo o the bond go for Nankasa and you. Beba go see say a see no
people around him.
Around him. So His Excellency must watch the people around him.
Okay.
Who just say Sam George as an opposition MP. We saw him. Things some prayer ministry ni never know the now Sam George we there o see for our program po near the camera is too so any poster look at his poster. Sam George poster is not good
For before
what I say his poster is not good social media for no kasa to be manium Sam George his poster is not good and these are some of the things here ratings no what abano ya can abano make mama and cancer poster any only party for only media kasa is good.
Okay.
You call media engagement we buy. Ministers say questions buy. Mama na can say ye. Follow up never radio so the following day no. Listen to Sam George and his people the kind of things they say. I'm saying no.
Sam George what has he done? That's all no corner oboni di.
Sam George. I don't hear on social media your kaka. Oh to me go program no books oh remember na press may be and come because of you. Oh yeah there. Sam George post I know being can me is one person because of LGBT. They went me I love that guy. But the poster this time as a minister and go here.
Okay.
In the no my ratings no I conform.
Okay.
Standard ratings no is not based upon personality now. You told us about no.
That point is.
That point is.
Right. Meda as chairman, I'm saying no one say ma kan any there. Na ye President Mahama approval rating, but what dey aye Kennedy adwuma be 90%. But ni nyina aye. Ni nyina aye.
Say, oh, 7 so ye oba. Ontimi